Yo, guys, we are back again. We are back again. This is Monday. We are back. So we give analysis last week. We are going to follow up with the same analysis which we give last week. We follow them up. Today's good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, anywhere you're connected from. My name is Uche Paragon. I am a financial market trader and a hedge fund manager. So we are been doing this now for about 2 weeks now. It's like a custom now, making sure we are live with you all the time. I want to make sure we are live with you all the time. So especially during the New York session, we will find our way to come in here to share trading experience with you. We are mostly targeting those of us on our YouTube, because our YouTube channel is growing massively, it's seriously growing. So if you're on our YouTube, please make sure you share our page. And if you're just coming to watch us now, make sure you also subscribe. We are in the New York training session. Then the aim and purpose of coming here is to be sharing live market update with you. Then you can be able to join us on our Telegram. We have a free Telegram channel that's fast growing. We have thousands of followers on Telegram now. So you can be able to join us on Telegram. I'm putting the link on description. It's on description now. Then you can join any of the brokers we are using. You can join them. And also, there are a lot of advantage of joining those brokers, because you could duplicate some of our analysis for free. So that's being smart. Then if you also trading now and you're stuck, you want to get something important, you want us to help you look into a particular market and instrument, we're also going to be available to assist you on that. I'll be here for approximately an hour. Then if you want to join my academy is okay. We're also giving out free account. Yeah, it's true. Let me get the link. We're giving out free account for those that want to join our academy. We'll give you free account. Yeah, it just come to my mind now. So if you want to learn trading, and instead of using a demo account to learn, or you struggle to raise a capital and also raise training fee, we can be able to provide a startup capital while we are also teaching you how to trade, and you're trading together with us. Yeah. So it's not a pro forma account. We can provide you between $1,000 to $10,000 account you can trade on a profit split. And we'll also be teaching and educating you on it and how you can be able to make use of it, like trade together with us on it. Do you understand? So it's a very important project you need to go on. It will make it easier for you to start trading. I mean, for you to be able to understand how the financial market works, and it start trading. So the link is here. I've also dropped the link now for mentorship. So you have to log in, is be able to apply, and we'll see application, and we can help you. We can help you. Yeah. So, and for your information, it's not new. We've been doing it for 2 years. Check our page. You see, we've been posting it. It's not something that is new. So we've been doing it for 2 years, and we have funded more than $200,000 account to people that are learning. One, it helps them to come into the market without having any form of risk. That's one beauty of it. It helps you to come into the market without having any form of risk. For those of you that we're thinking trading is this, trading is that, so coming into trading without your own capital is another way of eliminating the so-called risk. The so-called risk is just totally eliminated. So you can train with your clear eye and understand how it works and make a decision to go into a full-time trading like us or not. So I'm a trader like you. I was a trader like you. Now I'm navigating. I'm navigating into institutional trading, hedge fund management, and other stuff. So we will be able to assist you on doing that. So guys, those of you that are joining, please keep joining. And if you join me, also let me know where you're connected from. Yeah, our previous streaming, we got over 184 watch hours, and we got 3,500. I think I'm correct. Okay, that's in the last 28 days. We got 3,500 views last 28 days. Yeah, and we got 184 work. So that means our channel is actually increasing. We are actually increasing. Yeah. So yeah, here is one of the best places to be if you want to learn trading. Make sure you share our link with your friends and family or any group where you belong to, so I can be able to interact with you. I'll keep doing this until we are able to grow this community as much large as possible. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we will be able to analyze what happened last week, what is happening today, what's most likely going to happen next week. So I'm having trading on oil. I think I have trading on oil. Let me check. I have some position on oil. I will share my screen with you. Sorry, later. But I just want to make sure everything is properly. Yeah, I have a position on oil. Let me check. Yeah, so position on oil. It has not gained, but I'm expecting a serious profit on oil. I'm expecting a serious profit on oil. That's about 250 pips oil, and which will give us approximately $10,000 profit. Yeah, so it may look small to those of us that are traders. Of course, they know that that amount of money looks small, but if you are not greedy, you know that it's also a very good amount of money. $10,000 could be able to pay your rent for at least for 6 months' time. Yeah. So quickly, let me share the first information with you that you may like. Yeah. So for those of you that like to be part of our they want to learn trading, you want to come into trading. So we have a professional trading and mentorship program. We've been doing it for 2 years now. We started it last year, April. So we have done that. That's 1 year plus. But funding account, we started funding account almost like 3 years. It started through my birthday stuff. I started giving it. So you can be able to apply to get up to $1,000 account. You can get $5,000 account. You can get $10,000 account. You can also get $50,000 account. The essence of it is to help you learn trading without you taking any risk. It's not a new thing. We've been doing it for a long time. Yeah, and we have funded a lot of clients and on a lot of from different platforms, not just on one platform, from different brokers. We funded them. So those of you that want to learn trading, I started learning trading like you too, like you. So I wasn't this big but we started on a rough note where we have to struggle with demo account, we struggle with money for training, we struggle with raising a capital. So the essence of providing this fund for you is to assist you navigate those kind of hustles, because now you should be making more profit than us because we teach you the right thing. We don't need to be struggling again. We know how the market works. We just hit it on the nail and you're able to catch it up and grow from there. So that is one of the reasons why we're providing this fund. So if you're able to afford training fee or mentorship fee, you can be able to have a capital to start trading with. Until you're able to master trading, you should not put in your own money. Do you understand it? It's different from going to buy a profile account. You also like putting your own money at risk while you don't even know how to trade. So it's not, life is not by gambling. You need to understand some things, even though trading has a risk. But if you are properly trained and taught, you have eliminated the chances of becoming vulnerable to the market. That's the truth. An experienced trader is already 70% safer than inexperienced trader. Then you become an advanced trader, you become 80 to 90% safer. So these are the series of funding they can be able to receive from us. For those of us that are learning for 6 months, of course, they already know that they have about $5,000 account we have with them. Come to our page, you see a lot of them. They are doing well there, so they are trading with it. They have been trading with it for more than 6 months. Those of us learning for 1 year, yeah, you can have up to $10,000 account from us. You'll be trading with. Then those of us on our VIP, you can have up to $50,000 account you're trading with. Until you're able to understand trading, then you can now switch to your own account. So how to apply is the link to apply is here. You can pay through. You can pay us through all this payment system. Then, of course, we'll receive it and able to put you through. So as you can see the link, so it's also check this our bio or our comment section. You'll be able to see the link as well. Do you understand? So this is one of the perfect funding program you should use. It's our educational fund to learn trading. So is that all right? So now going further, we are going to push more into the market condition. Yeah, into the market condition for the day, into the market condition for the day. So there are other sorry, I need one on my phone here now. I need one on my phone. So our analysis today will be focusing on commodities. From commodities, we go into FS product. We may not be able to go into stock or indices. You know what I mean? So the commodities we are going to focus on, focus on gold. We've been doing well on gold. Gold has been performing extremely well, and we're also gonna go into we're also gonna go into forest products and a bit of fundamental analysis. There are one unique thing you need to understand why you should join us is that you can be able to help you make profit because we do consistent analysis until profit comes. Do you understand? We give you a consistent analysis until you make profit. I just on the slide. Let me see how you look. Okay, it's actually looking nice. Okay, let me take this for you. Okay, okay. I think it's more shining. Let me put it this way. Okay, okay, perfect. So let me put it this way. Oh, perfect. So I have more visibility. So we'll be able to give you more analysis, more consistent and persistent analysis until you make profit. So these are the things you will get to know. So last week we were expecting that you make about $10,000 to $10,000 on oil, $8,000 on gold, $1,500 on Euro USD. So these are some sound and perfect analysis that we have had, we did, and we are also going to establish on that. So our analysis this week, we're also expecting to make at least 500 pips on the whole thing. But one thing you need to know about us is that we are one of the best places you can trade with, because we are not necessarily trading only on forex or leverage or uh, high risk product. We also be able to navigate other markets, and so we can be able to teach you how to make use of how to navigate the proper financial market and make money from it. For example, we have a system that allow you to hedge with gold. Mhm. System that allow you to hedge with gold. One of the best systems so far. So let me show you. System that allow you to hedge with gold. And this system, we have eliminated the chances of you losing a capital. Yeah, this system. Some of you don't know much about all these things. We have a system that allow you to hedge with gold. Excuse me, let me just get my phone with me. Perfect, I'm back now. So let me also check your phone. Okay. So we have a system that allow you to hedge with gold. The system that will prevent you from losing your capital and also help you to make more money, not just trading on leverage product. If you see very well, gold has performed extremely well. Gold has done 50% this year until there was a little retracement. Current performance of gold this year is 41.44%. That is current performance like today. This is not leverage product. This is normal gold spot, as you can see the gold price. This is performance for the whole year. So for those of you that are trading on leverage on like gold forex, you may be making more money than this one. But this is the real deal. The real market is this one you're watching here. See this one I'm showing you here is the real. See this one is the real deal. So now you can actually invest on gold. We can actually invest on gold without trading, just invest on physical gold and make return. And gold has performed much better this year than the treasury bill. It has performed much better this year than some stocks. It has performed much better this year than, of course, than real estate. Yeah. So if you are looking for where to multiply your money into the in your account instead of investing on real estate, gold is one of the best, because one of the advantage of gold is that gold, it is easy to liquidate. So if you are into real estate and you just want to come into real estate for the sake of investment and doubling your money, you may get 7 to 10% per annum, and at the same time, you may not be able to liquidate as soon as possible. But unless if you are going on real estate to hedge your asset by owning a property for a long time, their concept, your concept and their objective matters in any decision you're making. But if you want to turn over, gold is one of the best. Yeah, because gold is even if you have $1 million worth of gold, you can walk into the bank and liquidate it immediately. But if you have $1 million worth of property, some countries won't even be able to see a buyer immediately. Convert your asset to liquid. Yeah, so so this platform allow you to hedge your physical asset with gold. Also allow you to also own gold. Own gold. So it's a platform that connect to from exchange to brokers. So giving you access to all in one marketplace, and they can be able to join the company. So there are a lot of advantage. Of course, gold is used in protecting capital. Of course, all of us know about that one. It can make profit from the both ways. It can maximize your return. Yeah. So then you can also connect your account. Yeah, those of you that trade on forex, you can connect your AvaTrade account, which is MT5 account, to it, and you can hedge part of the money you're trading on AvaTrade to it. AvaTrade is one of the best and heavily regulated broker. For disclaimer purpose, I'm not promoting AvaTrade. I just have to use them for clarity so that you understand like you understand what the company like which the company that you're dealing with is like highly regulated and a big firm. So I'm not promoting them for now. So that let me just put that disclaimer so that you won't think it's promoting Avatrade. I'm not promoting them. So somebody say I should send him $100. It's like okay, I should send him $10. It's like you want to play bet. Let me answer some questions here. I'm checking. So I'm on live stream, so you shouldn't expect me to be too formal. So I have to be free to do what I want to do. In case you want anything, just feel free to chat up with me. I'll be able to answer you. Yeah. Let me quickly show you how the good hedging portal works. How good hedging portal works. Yeah. So you see how the portal works. So you can be able to hedge, yeah, part of your account with gold, and you make good amount of profit on it. So I'm just laying the foundation before I go into the forex market, which is the financial market. There's this the popular one everyone is trading, and just give me a sec. Let me check up something. But you're free to drop your comment. Those of you that are here, feel free to drop your comment. I'll be able to put you through. You know what I mean? Feel absolutely free to drop your comment. I will put you through. And you can also share our page with any of your family of any of the group where you are, so that they can be able to join us. You know what I mean? Did you understand that? So this is the gold hedging portal. Just take a minute to study it. You see, the price you're seeing there is different from the regular price that you see on trading. So you can buy gold, you can be able to own gold, you can be able to invest on gold directly, and then you can also be able to trade on gold using leverage. Okay. Yeah. So now this is the gold hedging pattern. For example, you can as well hedge some of your account. Let's say you want to have $10,000 into your trading account. You have $10,000, then you could it's already at 50%. You could hedge 50% of it to your trading account, and you could hedge 50% of them on gold. Probably you could also say, no, I want all the money to go into my trading account. Then you can put it here and put all the money into your trading account. You may say, no, 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 no. I want all the money to go into gold. You just want to buy gold, invest on gold. Then you could move it here and put all the money into gold. Let's say you have about $10,000 at the beginning of this year. By now, you must have made over 50% of it just by investing on gold this year. Yeah, by now you must have made over 50% of it. And let's say you have over $100,000 invested on gold. It must have worth $150,000 this year. Yeah, for the past 22 months, it has done more than 100%. Or up to 100%. If you go on gold gram, we started trading on gold when gold was $39 per gram. Now it's 130 something dollars per gram. So gold has extremely done well, to be honest. It has really, really done well. Yeah. So from here, then you could allocate the account. Let's say you want this money, you want 30% to be hedging your gold, which is $3,000 can be hedging your gold, and 70% can be on your trading account, which is on your normal forex account. And then You are good to go. This is MT5. This MT5 is connected to the AvaTrade platform. Then you can now like select payment method, bank wire, debit card, Bitcoin, or any currency that is available, and submit. Then you're already hedging. So now you'll be making money from the price rising on gold, and you're also making money from other instruments that you're trading. Then if you also trade gold on CFD, you're making money on the same side, and it becomes practically impossible for you to lose money, lose your capital, because even if the price dropped, like for example, even if the price dropped, like the price of this account dropped, the profit you're making here dropped. This is tangible asset, so you are now kind of investing on a tangible asset, like the proper asset class is what you are investing on. So you have chances of not losing any capital, because in fact by the time this one, let's say it traded for about 6 months, the one you're hedging here may even have gone up to maybe at the additional 30% or 40% or 15%, no matter what, because gold always go more up than falling. So the $3,000 you're hedging may even become 4,000 or 3,500 or whatever amount of numbers that have added on gold. That is the beauty of it. Why, as an experienced trader, the one you're trading here, or the normal one you're trading on your account, this one, I have also have gone up. So it's like a very powerful strategy that you can use to hedge your account on gold. It's a platform that's very powerful, very, very powerful. So in the future, the possibility of adding more of cryptocurrency, where you can be able to hedge your cryptocurrency with physical gold, and let's just eliminate this stupidness of losing capital all the time, because stop loss can never stop you from losing a capital. We want to eliminate that and making sure there's consistency, stability, and growth. You know what I mean? Yeah. So in case you are joining us, let me check if the number is increasing. In case you are joining us, quickly let us know where you're coming from. Okay, we have 68 watching now. We have 68% watching on YouTube now. So the number is gradually increasing. So we can't wait to have you guys more joining us. We have 68. Oh, we have 157. Wow. 172. So the number we have now is gradually increasing. So guys, so keep dropping your comment and every other thing that you may need. Uh, in case you have a question, just feel free to ask us. We'll be able to put you through. Be able to put you through, Yeah, we have 218 persons live on our streaming now. Yeah, we have 218 persons. Yeah, somebody, okay. So okay, perfect. So let me go further on the market of the day. Before that, let me check what the news is saying itself. Um, I think I've given you a lot of value now. I've given you value on gold. I've given you value on getting an account, and I've given you value on I've given you value on I've given you value on how to grow your investment. Yeah, I'm giving you mad value. Don't mind me. Please don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm giving you value. We have 499. 499 watching us live. Okay, so yo, this is the market of the day. This is oil. The price, as I was here, oil had a sharp drop. As I was speaking to you, it was trading around oil was trading around $60, 60.44 per barrel, and hardly sharp and just have a sharp drop to 59.66. So technically, we keep seeing this area as our potential support zone. This area still remain our potential support zone. And what are the price within this area? The price between $58 per barrel, $57 per barrel, $56 per barrel. They are all potential support zone. Yes, the least is $56 per barrel. So technically, the market is this year is actually bearish. It's been dropping since from $77 per barrel down to 58, 50, 59, or it even went to 56. But that doesn't mean that there have not been potential buyers. So it means that the volume of sellers are much more in number this year than the volume of buyers. However, it can actually sell oil and lose money. That's where trading comes in. If you're not an experienced investor, an experienced trader, you may also trade oil and lose money. So technically, here I'm buying. This is a web trading platform. Let me show you the platform. This platform, I have some buying position here. The one I was showing you before was demo account, but this is a live account now. Here now, I have some position here that's holding two position. Is there not gain? I'm buying Brent crude oil and with this unit, so they have not gained yet. So the total profit is minus 6,000. So I'm just expecting more bullish. Immediately the price surge, I'll have chance of making a good amount of profit. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, but I don't really like using this platform to give analysis because it does not give me all the features I want. But this is a live account, so I have to go back to a demo account where I can be able to give you a proper this, and or I go back to proper MT5. Some of you like MT5. I can go back to proper MT5 to give you the reason. But let me just remain on the web, which is much more better for me. Do you understand? So make sure if you are just joining us for the first time, make sure you share our page to your friends. We really need your collaboration to reach mass audience, to reach more people. So if you know that you are getting value from us, I think somebody want to join me. Somebody want to join me. Somebody want to join me. Let me check. Somebody want to join me. Who is that? Uh, okay, no. I'm not gonna allow anyone in for now. So what I'm saying on all is this. Here still remain our potential zone for buyers, potential zone for buyers. You see this area. So what that means is that, we still under this particular point here. Technically, those of us that have done technical analysis a lot of boys, a lot of celebrities in this trading space don't do fundamental because the mass audience of people are too lazy to understand some fundamentals. So we are already used to technicals. Technically, it's easy for us to understand because that's what we are seeing. We could be able to predict the movement. In fact, my mentor is a technical trader. So at this point, 58 is also a potential what we call minor support. So we are also expecting the price of oil to move above 60. So I'm predicting the price to go around 50 at this point, above 60. Let me check the price there, above like 61.50, which was the potentiality of us making 250 pips as analyzed here. That was the potentiality of us making 250 pips as we analyze, and 250 pips so far with let's just use the one of the least volume, 250 pips, the $20 volume. Yeah, 250 pips, $20 volume. That's $20, $20, In bracket, that's 2 lots. For those of you that don't understand anything, you may think that $20 now is $20 capital or $20 balance. It means 2 lots times 250. Yeah, that would be $5,000. Yeah, that would be $5,000. Yeah, $5,000. So make $5,000 here. Yeah. Then it's enough for you to visit the nearby coffee shop and have some coffee with your girlfriend and your family. Yeah, let me be sure. 20 times 250. Yeah, that's $5,000. Yeah, I'm right. So you're gonna cash out potential profit. Let me put it on green. $5,000. Yeah, if the price should move to that point, and we still hold the position there. So as I'm having 400 volume here, my trade here, I'm holding 400 volume. Here is 400 volume, 400. That's 400 units, which is like 40 lot size. Yeah, 4,000 units. Yeah, this is $40 per movement. I think so. $40 per movement. So 40, that's $80. So as I'm holding $80, I will say $80 times 250. I will say $80 times 250. $80, $80 times 250. So I will make $20,000 profit. If the market should work according to my expectation. Then at the same time, if I multiply it by placing more execution, placing more order on, let's say I trade on Brent crude and WTI 250. So I should be making double, just as you should also be making double. Let's say on WTI, okay, this is WTI. Let's say on Brent crude, if I bring up Brent crude now, we check the price of Brent crude. So you may also discover that Brent crude has a lot of potential that could give you more money. You know what I mean? So if you check Brent crude, it goes the same direction with WTI crude. Yeah, that is this one, oil. Oil. So it goes the same direction. The current price is 69, 63. I think we're also expecting to get to 64, above 64, which is potential. Okay, 65 point. Let's say 65.50, or let's just say $65. Yeah. So from here to that point, we also gonna give approximation of okay, approximation of 155 pips for now. Yeah, and you make good amount of profit from it. So guys, let me know if you have a question. So is anyone with me? If you have a question, I'll be free to answer your question. Let me know if you have a question. I'll be free to answer your question. Yeah. Okay, we'll be here for how many minutes now? We'll be here for 38 minutes. So we have a few minutes again to go. Now, going further, we have the same analysis on gold. I like to put it on daily chart. Today, I may not give you, so we have analyze on gold that we're going to make about what was the pip? Like 400 pips on gold. That's this was where we're expecting to reach gold. That's about 300 pips on gold. So we have done so far. We have gained so far on gold. We have gained 198 pips. So we see remaining about this is 198, right? Yeah, look, let's say 200 pips. So we still have about 150 pips to gain on gold, and our profit on gold based on that was our profit expectation on gold was about let me calculate it properly. We were expecting to make on gold 300. Yeah, was it 300 pips? It should be 300 pips. No, I think it was 400 pips on gold. Yeah, it was 400 pips. Which will give us how much? Yeah, which will give us 8,000. Yeah, it's a 400 bits, which was $8,000. Yeah, I can remember now. Because the analysis is actually is already on our on our Telegram group, so it's there. So if you go to our Telegram group, you will see it. So we're expecting to cash out $8,000 from here. Let me reduce the size. So we expect to have about $8,000 from here. So profit of $8,000 coming up. But now it has gone. The gold price has done from here. It has done 200 pips. So we're expecting additional 200 pips. So if you pick our analysis last week on gold, you should be able to be on $4,000 profit up. Yeah, remember we have up to 70 to 80% success rate on all our analysis. Yeah. Then we have analysis on Euro USD. What was our analysis on Euro USD then? Yeah, it was a buying analysis on Euro USD. So it has peaked, and we're also expecting to continue. So we expected it to be 150 pips. This analysis is still very okay because we just recently have a very sharp support here. We had a very sharp support, so we're expecting the market to at least appreciate further to 1.16545, or at least 1.16270. So like if you're still holding your buying position on gold, on Euro USD, that means you'll be making profit with us. So what we expected here was $1,500 profit, because we expected to have, about is it 250 150 pips? Yeah, it was 150 pips we expected to have, and we have gotten 190 pips. So we expect to have 150 pips, which is around this point. Yeah, 150 pips. So we have gotten 121 pips. So it's a remaining few number of pips to get to that point. And if you check, if you're on our Telegram, please join our Telegram. In case once you join, you see this video, go to our Telegram and join our Telegram, so that you'll be seeing some of them because it's already there. Or you watch our previous videos on the YouTube. We're expecting 150 pips here. 150 pips, which will give us, let me check it on calculator. That's $20 times 150. So we'll be expecting. I think I used $10 on it on the last, but let me just put it on $20 for the sake of making it everything equal. So that would be $3,000. But what we did last week was trading with $10 volume, like 1 volume, which is like $10, which will give us about $1,500 profit. Now, but if you use $20 volume to trade on it, and the price get to this point, you have potentially going to have this amount. Trading is very much easy. It's just all about following the right people and having good amount of capital to make the decision that you want. Yeah. So do you have a question? Let me know if I will be able to answer you. So going further for the forecast for the week, let me check it as something I need, or something you need to know about the forecast for the week. Let's start from commodities first. What's happening in the commodity market, commodity industry? What is happening? 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 Commodity market, commodity market, commodity market. Yeah, that is so today is Monday, so crude oil could crush. Okay, that was what we traded last week. Yeah, we traded that one last week. Let me check more. We did that treatment last week. We traded that last week. China car sale fall as government incentive. Yeah, South Africa to anchor non-OPEC plus oil supply through. Okay, the third leader declare oil and gas energy in Scotland. So I wanted to see some powerful, like, breaking news that could disrupt the price of oil, either pushes it up or down. So strong fundamental coming up. So let me check the forecast for the week. Focus for the week. Let me check the focus. If we have something coming up, guys. I'm very thirsty. I think I need water. No, guys, this is live stream, so I'm allowed to leave and also take some water. So it shouldn't be on a formal note. Let me go and take water. My assistant is not here because I'm in a quiet studio. I didn't want anybody to be coming in and out, but let me go and get water. We're gonna come back. Yo, I'm back. Everybody is always busy to ask one question. If I put $10, how much will I make? If I put $1,000, how much will I make? Those questions are not really a professional question to ask. First of all, you need to understand what the business model is. Yeah, that's why investors makes more money. People who understood about investment, they make more money than the regular people that are just looking for like paycheck. Business model is not something that you will be like doing as if you're on maybe kind of a salary scheme. You need to learn the business. So when we are making analysis, you need to pay attention to learn them. When we make analysis like this, you pay attention to learn some of this powerful analysis. It will really help you, to be honest. So it's not just by looking for like a finished product that will never help you. Those things can't help. So understanding what you're doing and how to get it done is very, very important. Very. So now this one came out 11 hours ago. They say oil price climb as Senate passes deal to reopen government. Which Senate is that? So let's open it, guys. They say oil price climb as Senate passes deal to reopen government. That was written by Charles Kenny. I know that some of you now don't want to hear this one. Yeah, let me criticize you guys. Anything news always turn you guys stomach upside down. So you like to watch only the chat, watch the nice car, watch the Ferrari and stuff like that. So you don't want to. They say in early Asia trade on Monday, crude oil price were climbing after the United States Senate. That means they were talking about United States Senate. Senate passes a funding agreement that could end the federal government shutdown. Wow. Okay. At the time of writing, WTI had climbed to $60 per barrel. I told you. While Brent we are trading at $64, 0.5, both up by roughly 0.7%. Senate negotiators had struck a deal ahead of Sunday evening session to begin advancing a House-passed continuous resolution after nearly 2 hours. The funding measure passed with the support of 8 Democrats. So the package combined the continuing resolution with a mini box appropriation bundles. That's three long-term spending bill, and guarantee the Democrat a vote on extending health insurance tax credit. From a market perspective, the expectation that roughly 800,000 unpaid federal workers will soon see their salary returned, benefit program will restart, and key government service will resume we resume is boosting sentiment. Okay, so let me just stop there. The reason why the price went up this morning was because of the bill the Senate passed as a foreign agreement that could end the federal government shutdown. So, as I told you when I opened the market this morning, where's oil? Where's oil? Where's oil? Where's oil market? So, when I opened the market this morning, the price was trading around $60 per barrel. Yeah, when I opened the market chart this morning, where's oil? So it was trading around $60 per barrel. The price was somewhere here in the morning. It was somewhere here in the morning. In fact, even as I started this streaming, so it was somewhere here. So we are expecting a more positive report on oil. To be honest, we are expecting more positive report on oil. To be seriously honest, the positive report is something that will push the price up for buyers to gain. So these are things that we do to understand the market structure. The things that we do to be able to know what the market is talking about, guys. It's not like a rocket science. It's something that we commonly do that eliminates the chances of we losing money and increase the chances of we making money in the market. Let me know if you have a question. In case I just joining you have a question, just drop your question. If you're looking for a contact is here. Be able to contact us. We put you through. We'll put you through. Our Telegram is also here. We can be able to also put you through on our Telegram. You know what I mean? Yeah, guys. I'm gonna be here today by night time. So I'll be able to give you guys more update in the night, what the market is talking about and how you can be able to benefit. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys more update in the night, what the market is talking about and how you can be able to benefit. So you know what I mean? So going further, let me check the forecast. What is the world saying on the Forex Factory? I use Forex Factory a lot for my forecast. So the focus for the week, but in trading, I don't use focus to trade. I use economic outlook more in trading than using the focus. So someone should ask me why. I use focus more in trading. So I use economic outlook more in trading, not focus. So today is Monday. Nothing much is happening on Monday. Tomorrow there's a Canada holiday. There's a holiday in Canada tomorrow. I think there's also a bank holiday in the US tomorrow. I think so. On Wednesday, let me check Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday is also very much lower, but that's on Thursday is where we're gonna have oil inventory on Thursday because of the bank holiday. So they moved it on Thursday, and it will happen by 5 p.m. And we have retail sell. Okay, there's not too strong activities happening on forecast, but there will be obviously more of economic activities that will happen on in the market. Obviously, we're going to experience more economic activities in the market. Obviously, yeah, we'll have more economic activities that will also happen in the market. So don't be discouraged, guys, about whatever thing you see here. So these are forecasts. It's a bit different from the reality of the market. Anything can happen that the market will spark. Yeah. Before I forget, there's something I have not shared with you guys. Oh, I've done it. That was on gold. I think I've shared something with you on gold. Yeah. So let me know if there's any instrument you are trading that you don't want me, you want us to touch about, so we can be able to hit up. So in summary, our analysis is working perfectly. We did analysis on Britain Pound USD as well. That's what I have not shared with you. If you check our Telegram channel, the analysis is there. It is still very much active and very valid. So it is the same analysis we analyze here. So it has gone 183. We analyze 150. That means we must have hit our target here, to be honest. Then it's still very valid. So what we have done so far, what is happening on Euro USD is positive. $3,000 we're expecting as profit. We're expecting $1,500 here on Britain Pound USD. Gold is doing well. Our analysis on gold is doing well. The one that have not done well is oil. So we have 5 analysis, WTI analysis, which is on buying, analysis which is on buying analysis on gold is working. It's also on buying. Buying analysis on Britain Pound USD is also valid, and the buying analysis on Euro USD. So that means we had only buy this week. Wow. Or last week. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 buyer analysis. Out of the 5, what is working now? Euro USD is doing well. Bitcoin Pound USD is doing well. Gold is doing well. What is left to go well is oil. So hopefully oil may peak, but let's see what's going to happen. Oil has dropped like last week when we did the analysis. It worked perfectly here. That was here last week. So, but it didn't hit our target profit. So it went up to 100 pips. So some of us that are like fast enough, that does not want to keep a position long time in the market, may have closed it, but it moved to this point. But we expect to go to this point, but it moved to this point. Now it has returned. This morning it was also up this morning. So that's the reality of the market. Market can fluctuate, but does not mean that it will not go your own direction. My advice to a trader is just one thing. As a trader, always stay in one direction. Let the market follow your direction. Any question, guys? So I'm gonna leave you guys here. I have a Zoom meeting coming up by 8 p.m. today. I may also be able to live stream it here if possible. So for those of you that want to get a funded account, you want to learn trading, we have the best option for you. We have the best option for you. You don't need to suffer or pass through. So we have our training program. You can be able to join our training program and see the capital. You can be able to, we can teach you for 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and we can also provide you a capital that you can use to start trading while you are learning. So you don't need to use your own capital to start practicing. So either you use your own capital to practice, or you use a demo account. But the difference is that you cannot withdraw the account. So we have a startup capital program. We've been running for 2 years now, and it's been going on well. So it can be so once you join our mentorship and training program, you can have a capital. So depending on the month you joined, and how it can be able to provide you the fund. You know what I mean? And also you can be able to hedge your account with physical gold to avoid you losing money. So this is the platform. So if you have account with any of the brokers we're using, you can be able to hedge your account with gold. And this is one of the best strategy we are teaching you guys now. Strategy that can allow you hedge with gold and also allow you make money in gold without you trading it on gold. And the strategy that will allow you trade on forex market and other market, and also be able to hedge part of your account with gold. I've seen it before, and it's one of the best unique strategy that you must be able to learn. It's a must. If you're a trader and you're losing your capital in this era, that means you need to evaluate yourself. If you're a trader and you're losing capital all the time, you need to evaluate yourself. We have lost those things before. We try to make sure there's an improvement. That's why we keep pushing those things to you, to make sure that you shouldn't pass the same route we pass. But we cannot force it on you. That's one thing. We can't force our decision on you. So you have to make your decision by yourself. But this is the one of the platform that can allow you to back your account with gold, and you make more profit. So if we have done 62 million volume so far, and you can hedge up to 50% of your account on gold, and you can also decide not to hedge on gold at all, or you can also decide not to even trade in the market at all. You just want to hedge your account only on gold. So you can do that as well, and you make your own decision and make your profit as the gold price keep rising. Because gold is basically used for hedging. Yeah, I wanted to show you something. It's not opening. Where is that? I opened it before. Where is that? I opened the portal before. Was it this one? Was it this one? Okay, maybe I've logged out. It has logged me out. Yeah, possibly. It has logged me out. Mm. Okay, all right, guys. So that's all for now. I wish you all the best. Make sure you join our community to learn more from us and copy our trade or duplicate our trade. Use some of the automated platform we are using and understand our investment objective and strategies and make money together with us. You know what I mean?